equipment, a chain and a tape measure. So to measure the wetted perimeter, you're going to start at one side of your river. You need to find the end of the chain and you're going to place it exactly where the water sort of meets the bank. So underneath your peg and line, place it straight there, and then you're going to lay the chain over all the rocks, over all the twigs, the nooks and crannies. I would stand on it if you can as you lay it down. The water's quite clear here, so I can see where it is. I've got a nice coloured chain. Some chains are a bit rusted, so it's more difficult to see. This one's a good one. And then you can just lay it over, being careful that it's not taken away by the current, that you're not like laying a load of slack, because you want to try and get an accurate measure of the wetted perimeter. By standing on it, you can pull it tight, so you know you're not have a load of slack in there. It's nice and tight before you lay it down. And it goes all over all those links, or rather those stones. And then we'll reach this far bank. Hold that stone there, down a little bit, something like that. And you hold on to the link where it's met the other bank. You can then pull it all out. And then we need to measure this as accurately as possible. Any ideas of how we could do it? Meter ruler or the tape measure. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can lay it out on the bank, take your tape measure and lay it next to it. By holding it, you know, like tug of war fashion, you often get a sag in the middle of the chain and you get an inaccurate value there. So the best thing to do is to take hold of the chain in one hand, grab the tape measure with the other, put the two together. So that was the link that started it all off. And then you're going to run your hand and the tape measure together like this. So you're keeping the chain and the tape as one. Run it through. And hopefully by the end, you'll have your reading just here. 3 meters, 40, 1, 2, 3. Should it be higher or lower than your width? As a quick rule of thumb. Should be higher. You've gone over everything, haven't you? So as a quick kind of ballpark, have I got the right answer? Just double check it's longer than your width. If it's shorter than your width, the chain's moved a little bit. Okay. Why would we measure using a chain? Yeah, go for it anyway.
It's heavy, so I can
Thanks, Oliver. Yeah, so it's heavy, so it's not pushed by the water, but it's also flexible, so it will flex over all those stones. What can you do once you've got the wetted perimeter? Can you work out anything? Well done. You can work out the hydraulic radius. So you need cross-sectional area divided by the wetted perimeter gives you the efficiency of the river channel, the hydraulic radius. Once you've used the chain, make sure it goes back in the bag. Some are very easily lost in the leaves and in the river. And then you're done.